week. So yeah. I give you rest for a time. Yeah. What am I getting? So we got to sit in the lounge, and they said they will be right with us. We still waiting on 2 others to come, so we ain't really got a problem with that. Okay, yo, so we just get seated at exact 3, so there wasn't any like delay or anything. We're just waiting for your friends to get here now. They're already here, but they're just walking in. So yeah, never walk so fast. What time was y'all supposed to be here? Yo, I don't really like anything on the menu so far. I think I'm gonna get this. I don't want no bread, so I may just get the pizza, to be honest. Jerky pizza. You having a crab roll? Yeah, I can have. No, or with my food is fine. Oh, I see chicken. With holding pickle hot. Just take some. Here is the food. Dania, what you get?
This is a spicy chicken sandwich.
And then this is my pizza.
Amazing.
I don't like how it looks. It doesn't have any like green.
Yeah, that's there you go. Mayo. I know that. Why? I want to see it here.
Are you ready to tell me?
No, I didn't see it dropping. What is yours? I can't remember.
Here's my drink. I got a paradise something. I can't remember what it is. So yeah, we finished eat, and the pizza was really good. White House was really good. I basically tried everybody's food and everything was good, so I would recommend. My drink was really good as well. Everything was really good. So
I don't know.
I like the picture. I just feel like I just look like I had a drink there. Let me go. Okay, y'all, so we're actually going to change to go in the pool. I on my cycle, so I don't even know how this. Oh, the bathroom is here. I actually don't know how, like, what y'all think of the outfit. I think it's cute. So y'all, I in my swimsuit and I about to go in the pool. I got $5. I don't have no cash. I got $50. I separate bills and mine was like, I don't know if y'all could see, like $91. The shirt that is way legit.
Birthday girl had a good time? Okay, good. Alright.
So that
Please remind me, y'all. Please. I know you. Okay, I'm glad you did that. That's for sure.
We're currently trying to get pictures here. Or the amaretto salad. Probably. What you getting?
A few more and then I ain't article.
Yeah, I think I'm going to this article. Oh, it is warm. Ooh, it's cold. I can stand out in there. But it was cold. I didn't see $30? Yeah. Okay. I could get one, please. Do you want me to lay right there? But then that's fine. I think it should Oh, that's
I was walking, but I was on the just passed it before you go cross it and all that.
I coming back, bro. I know, but I can't go there. Or somebody
People in the middle and it's about to normal again.
I keep feeling him staring.
All she talking about is come and see me for us. Come and see me for us. They don't ever come to me. They don't ever come to me. All she ever says, come and see me for us. Come and see me for us. You don't ever come to me. You don't ever come to me.
We basically finished changing everything from the pool, so we're probably gonna head out shortly.
Yeah. Alright. Oh, here?
Oh Hi, the last time I see y'all, I think that was when I was at the beach club, country club, whatever. But right now, on my way to actually pick up grades for my exam. I did one of my licensure exams to become a registered nurse. Alright, 1 second, y'all. I'm going to go and collect the results and then come back and open it with y'all. I'm freaking scared. We are actually racing right now. No freaking oh my gosh, I passed. Oh my god, thank you God, I passed. Oh my gosh, I passed. Please stay inform me that you were successful. Look, can y'all see? I freaking passed, y'all. I look really bad right now. I real shame to God, like going to these people's store looking like this. Literally just like I got an email yesterday that my grades was available. So I just wake up this morning. First of all, I was nervous as hell yesterday. I literally made an entry in my journal talking about how nervous I am and how I just praying that I passed, etc, etc. Then I just wake up today. I didn't do my hair or anything. I just put on a scarf and I was like, let me go get these grades. Let me go see how we do, because I've been nervous about this since I did the exam last month. It's me again. Today is a Sunday and it's currently 8:44. I mean 8:05, sorry. And I actually up early today to go to the beach. I'm supposed to be going to the beach for 9 o'clock. I just need to finish my hair and then I need to pack a beach bag. And then I honestly did not want to wear my hair. There's a fly. Like this today, I wanted to not really feeling this hairstyle anymore. It's currently like in 2. and I think it slipped in really good today. Like, is that cute? Yeah, I'm so excited to vlog today, and I think that's cute. What do y'all think? Too bad. Wait, I think that's cute. I'm gonna just listen. Oh, this is the finish here. Battery, my purse. Maybe I can. In the car right now. I'm going to stop at the ATM in the gas station. I scared that they would be like, oh, no shirt, no service type thing. So I bring a top. Right now I'm at the gas station. So I just throw on this top to go in the gas station. I think I'm gonna put air in my tires once I'm done. I have to see though. Hi. Yeah, I'm actually here by the stoplight. It's about to turn.
Alright, so when you come watch Shred today?
Yeah, so I'm here. I park and I'm able to go in. So yeah, my friends are already here. So this is very probably could get something to eat. Later if we get hungry, I don't know if I can get anything because my mom did cook. And I'm probably gonna just eat what she cooked when I get home. But I may, I don't know, get like a drink or something. I don't know. My friend said it's somewhere over here. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you. Okay, so I just paid for my chair and I got my little bag. Wait, let me get closer.
Good morning, Pumpkin!
Hi.
Hey!
I thought that one I thought the chair was I can do the card. I got cash flow, I got the ATM.
What ATM?
I know. Drive so we could just drive to one or something. Drive to one at ATM. Y'all, I just wanted to show y'all the water. Very nice. Y'all see? Actually really nice. I honestly like coming to the beach and like it just made me like so like I don't know grateful for where I live because I literally live here, y'all. Like I get this every day, so it's like oh, that's super nice. Activities and stuff over there. We thinking we want to do paddle boarding maybe later. I don't know. Outside starts to get like a little setup, but that's gonna be a passover, so it will just pass and go. It won't like rain. Yeah. Guys, is it giving me a watch?
The other one.
Woo!
Oh, we are
Everybody got
mine at home catching this.
Okay, so hers all got booked. Okay, also that like, but then he didn't bring one because she didn't know we was bringing bus. But I honestly just packed this. Like we didn't plan to bring bus. Like we just thing. Yeah, but I borrowed this flower for my friend because it matched my swimsuit, and she also finished taking pictures, and it actually comes so cute. I gotta let my friend look for them for me to see which one's the best. But yeah, I'm having a good time anyway so far.
Like 3 or 4.
Why you gotta start, girl? Why you gotta start? I know we make time for the things that we want. I know you got another nigga trying to play the part. Just cause he got a heart, don't mean he got a heart. Could be standing in the field and he still ain't in the field. If anything should change, then I thought we had a deal. Lately you keep questioning what you get out the deal. Doing things that make me feel the way I make me feel. How hard is it to let you know when I'm coming home?
We get a free drink when you buy cheers, so I like an amaretto sour. I could get a daiquiri. What flavor?
Only strawberry.
And that's like whipping cream.
Oh, so they get version pina coladas. I get a rum punch. No, it's not version. Oh, she didn't get version, guys. Okay.
Thank you.
Anyways, I was trying one he pitched. Oh, she just didn't want. Oh, it's not feeling. Actually, had any water. What is kind of coolish. Let's go!
That way you could be prepared, maybe take a couple sick days and not miss pay. I don't even know what things are looking like inside of your place. Eyes decorate. This thing is getting one-sided, I can't even lie to you. Yeah. All she talking about is come and see me once. Come and see me once. Don't ever come to me. Don't ever come to me. Yeah. All she hit me with is come and see me once. Come and see me once. You don't ever come to me. Don't ever come to me.
So the rain actually started to fall. I don't know if y'all can see the yes or I just didn't feel like getting my hair wet or anything like that, so I just come back and sit down. I'm gonna just read a little bit of my book. I think once the rain settles, I'm gonna go back in, but I just don't want to go in there with the rain falling. My hair already starting to frizz a little bit. So the sun is back out. So I'm coming back into the water.
I felt it. Zero. I felt it when that went through. Zero. What that? I was just wearing with my ears.
Currently looking for somewhere to eat.
Oh, everything is just like.
Come on.
I forget to see when
Okay, y'all. So I think we're ready to go home. I think it's about 1 o'clock. My friend got somewhere to be, so we couldn't stay any longer. Okay, y'all. So I'm back in my car and we're leaving right now. The rest already started to pull off. So I will see y'all when I get home.